Come to your knees. Take a moment to connect with the breath. Begin to circulate the shoulders. Opposite direction. Come to the neck, circular motion here, deep breaths. Opposite direction. Full inhales, full exhales. Back to center. Left arm reaches out, dropping the left hand to the mat. Right ear meets the right shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Next, inhale, release, opposite side, right hand to the mat, left ear meets the left shoulder. Deep breath cycles here. Again, next, inhale, release. Grab your wheel and begin to roll it forward. Be gentle here, stop where you feel that stretch. If the body allows it, send the forehead and heart to meet the mat. Full inhales, full exhales. If at any point this feels too intense, simply pull back. Release to gently come up. Bring the knees mat width distance apart or further, again if the body allows it, and begin to walk the wheel forward, stopping where you meet that stretch. Release. Come to seated. Knees bent, feet planted on the mat. Place the wheel at the low back and begin to lean over the wheel. Connect to the breath, getting into the muscles of the back. Very slight movement here, rocking side to side. Inhale, come up. Adjust the wheel so it's a bit further up the back. Releasing any tension in the neck. Rocking slightly side to side. Feel free to hold the wheel or go ahead and keep yourself balanced by placing your hands on the mat. Engage the core, gently come up. Wheel to the low back. Release the head, hands to heart center. Anjali Mudra, give gratitude here. Take a moment, and when you're ready, reach up overhead. Nice deep stretch here. Hands to the mat, straightening the knees. Keep the hands planted or bring them to heart center for added pressure. If the shoulders allow it, reach up overhead, grabbing the wheel. Otherwise, place the hands on the mat for stability here. Begin to rock forwards and backwards. Back to center. Straighten the knees, connect to the breath here. Bending at the knees, rock forward and release, placing the hands at your hips for just a little extra stability here while we rock forward and backwards. Moving at your own pace, follow your breath. Maybe take a moment to adjust the wheel and continue to rock. Again, flowing at your own pace here. Do what feels good. Perfect. Release to Sukhasana, easy pose. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, extending through the spine, gaze down. Inhale, opening the chest, gaze up. Exhale, really extend through the spine. Inhale. Exhale. Begin to circulate the hips. Opposite direction. Come to the knees, send the hips towards the heels for child's pose. Use this moment to recharge. Acknowledge how the body feels. Nice deep breaths filling the torso, expanding the low back. Exhale, releasing any tension within the hips, shoulders, and neck. Next, inhale, release, hands to heart center. Namaste.